Good evening. Welcome to Press Media of India. I am Syed Liaqat Hussain on the news desk here. Today's headlines are as follows. Chief Secretary Somesh Kumar inspects government hospital. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha attempt to lay siege to TSPSC office foiled by police. Asaduddin Owaisi raises pitch for protection to livestock traders ahead of Bakar Eid. RTC staff protest against driver Tirupati Reddy's death demands justice. Teenage girl goes missing in Hyderabad, Madhapur. Farmer pours diesel on Tehsildar for delay in issuing Patadar passbook. The news are in detail now. Chief Secretary Somesh Kumar on Tuesday visited the government hospital here and inspected the infrastructure project work. City-based Raheja Group, as part of its corporate social responsibility initiative, has taken up the project work. The CS asked officials to expedite the work so as to make it fully operational by providing all human resources and other logistics. Officials briefed him about the progress of the work. SAM Rizvi, Secretary Health and Family Welfare, Narsimha Reddy, TSIIC Managing Director, Ramesh Reddy, DME, among other officials were present. Activists of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha BJYM along with BJP Youth Wing on Tuesday tried to lay siege to the Telangana State Public Service Commission TSPSC office here, protesting against non-payment of unemployment allowance and government's failure to fill vacant posts in its departments. However, they were stopped by the police, resulting in tension. The protesters staged a sit-in on the road, resulting in a traffic blockade. The police arrested the agitating activists and shifted them to the nearest police station. Bhanu Prakash, the BJYM president, addressing the protesters, alleged that the government was adopting a negligent attitude towards the unemployed in the state. He demanded immediate filling of about 2 lakh vacant posts in government departments by releasing the TSPSC notification and payment of dole to the jobless. Prakash claimed that the number of suicides by jobless persons across the states are increasing. He questioned the delay in the release of employment notification by TSPSC while threatening to intensify the agitation by organizing protests in the districts. MLA and AIMIM General Secretary Syed Ahmad Pasha Qadri along with MLC Syed Aminul Hasan Jafri met Telangana State DGP Mahendra Reddy and handed over Hyderabad MP Asaduddin Owaisi's representation, demanding necessary instruction in the light of the upcoming festival Eid al-Azha to prevent harassment of livestock transporters and traders and arbitrary seizure of livestock by vigilance. Traditionally, thousands of sheep and goats and scores of bulls are brought to Hyderabad and other main towns and cities for sale on the eve of Bakar Eid. And almost 50% of the 44 lakh of Muslims in Telangana state live in the greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation area. Demanding justice to the TSRTC driver Tirupati Reddy, who committed suicide in front of the Raniganj bus depot on Tuesday for not according duty, the TSRTC staff on Wednesday staged a protest with black badges at the depot. The protest came in the wake of the call given by the Joint Action Committee IAC. It is learned that Tirupati Reddy was not given duty since June 22. Depressed over it, he consumed poison in front of the depot and died while undergoing treatment. The police took up the investigation. A 15-year-old girl has gone missing from her home at Nayak Tanda under Madhapur police station limits 3 days ago. A complaint was filed on Wednesday when the parents of the girl approached the police. They alleged that their daughter has been kidnapped and urged prompt investigation. The girl is said to have gone outside of the house and did not return home. Her parents searched for her with relatives and friends, but all the hard work to trace the girl is gone in vain. The police registered a case and are examining the CCTV footage. A relative of a farmer who died electrocution poured diesel on the Tehsildar for the delay in issuing Patedar passbook to the deceased. Bhanod Bhalu, 32, died of electrocution after he came in contact with a live wire at his farm on Monday. Relatives of Balu took the body to the Tehsildar's office on Tuesday and alleged that the farmer failed to get Raitu Bandhu assistance even after owning the land at Talapalli Tanda because he was not issued the passbook. One of the relatives who carried a bottle of diesel with him dosed the Tehsildar and later poured it on himself too. An argument broke out between the Tehsildar revenue staff and the group. However, the group was later convinced to leave the office. A complaint was filed against the relatives of the deceased by Tehsildar. Thank you for watching PMI News Hyderabad.